You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make natural keratin. This treatment is great for promoting hair growth, adding shine and reducing hair fall. I am going to be using 4 ingredients for this treatment, and the first ingredient is okra. Okra contains essential nutrients like vitamin A, C and K, as well as folate and antioxidants that promote healthy hair growth. These nutrients nourish the hair follicles, strengthening the hair strands and leading to longer and thicker hair over time. And also, okra has a soothing and moisturizing effect on the scalp, and it helps to reduce dandruff. I will be using 8 pieces of okra, and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. Okra also acts as a natural conditioner, providing moisture and hydration to the hair. It helps to restore and retain the hair's natural moisture balance, making it soft, smooth, and more manageable. This can be particularly beneficial for dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. The vitamins and minerals found in okra can strengthen the hair strands, add volume, and improve hair density. This can give the appearance of thicker, fuller hair. And okra contains antioxidants and nutrients that helps to nourish and strengthen the hair follicles, which can reduce hair fall and breakage. It promotes healthy hair growth and minimizes hair loss. I am done cutting the okras into pieces, and next I'm going to pour this okra into a blender. And add 1 cup of water and blend it up into a paste. Next, I'm going to pour the paste into a saucepan and heat it up for about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally. I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool while I prepare the next ingredient. The next ingredient I'll be using is corn flour. I'm going to be using 2 spoons of corn flour. Cornstarch can be used as a detangler. It helps to reduce friction between the hair strands, making them smoother and easier to comb through. This can minimize hair breakage and tangling, especially for individuals with long or easily tangled hair. Add 1 cup of water and mix. And next, I'm going to pour the already mixed corn flour into the cooked okra paste and mix everything together. So I'm going to pour the mixture, the corn flour and the okra. I'm going to pour it into a saucepan and cook it for about 4 minutes, and make sure it's stirred occasionally to prevent it from having any lumps. It's done now. I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool for some minutes. Next is to sieve the paste. I'm going to be using a wig cap to sieve the paste. So next I'm going to be adding black castor oil. One of the most well-known benefits of castor oil is its ability to promote hair growth. It contains ricinoleic acid, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help keep the scalp healthy. The oil also improves blood circulation to the hair follicles, providing essential nutrients and stimulating hair growth. I will be adding 2 spoons of castor oil. Next, I'll be using sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil nourishes and moisturizes the hair. It promotes scalp health, strengthens strands, adds shine, supports hair growth, and provides heat protection. I will be adding 2 spoons and then mix everything together. So, the keratin treatment is ready to be used. The next step is to apply the mask to the hair. Make sure your hair is clean and damp before applying this mask. Then after that, apply it to the scalp and hair. Then next you have to massage your scalp for some few minutes. So this will help improve blood circulation and promote hair growth. And after that, you're going to cover the hair with a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, just rinse it off with cold water. And that is it. Your hair should feel soft, shining, and healthy. So you have to repeat this mask once a week for best result. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips.